What happens when more and more people stop Googling and start asking ChatGPT instead? Well, that's already happening. A recent survey showed that 77% of ChatGPT users treat it as a search engine, and 1 of 4 people go to the ChatGPT before Google. And unlike Google, there is no paid ads in those results. When your content shows up in AI responses, people are more likely to trust it because it feels earned, not bought. And if you want your blog, business or product keep getting discovered, then you cannot ignore AI anymore. And in this video, I am explaining you 5 strategies to make your content discoverable in ChatGPT and similar AI chatbots, so you can future-proof your search SEO. When you ask ChatGPT a question, where do you think this info comes from? It is not magic. It is pulling it from the trusted websites, high-authority platforms, and structured data. And the best part is, if you do it right, your content can be one of those trusted sources. And the first thing you have to do is to make your content public and crawlable. If your content lives in the internet, then make sure it is actually accessible for AI models. Post it on a public website, don't hide it behind logins, and the big one, make sure your robots.txt file does not block search bots. Because if you want your content to ever get into ChatGPT conversation, it needs to be crawlable. That means allowing the OpenAI crawler bot to index your website. So go to your robots.txt file and make sure it's not blocking it. You should see something like that there. And make sure it's not blocking this bot. Because if you block it, then your content just won't be findable by ChatGPT. And if you see that it's blocked and you're not sure how to change it, then just Google edit robots.txt or refer to your website documentation. But if you're just starting out, your personal website might not be ranked high enough. But don't worry, you can borrow authority. Post your content on places that ChatGPT already loves. For example, make a YouTube video and make sure it has a really good captions. Or post your written content on medium.com. And if you want to share your code, then use GitHub, of course. And you can even use Wikipedia if your topic is notable. And if you publish your content on such platforms that ChatGPT already trusts to, then it is more likely to be referenced. And the next thing you can do is to structure your content right. Make sure AI can read it and understand it. Structure your posts with headings, bullet points, summaries, and Q&A sections. Write it in clear, conversational language. This will work because AI trained to detect patterns in human-readable text. Keep your content up to date. AI loves fresh and relevant info, so make sure you update your website or blog regularly and use Q&A style. Write your titles and paragraphs the way people ask questions on ChatGPT. For example, write "How do I train my dog to fetch?" instead of "Dog fetch training." And add a frequently asked questions section to your website. Use real user questions and provide clear and meaningful answers. This groundwork will help a lot with ChatGPT search algorithms. And you can actually make your content available directly to ChatGPT by creating a custom GPT. Custom GPTs let you upload your knowledge base or connect to the content feed, so AI will always have your info ready. So if you've got a product catalog or a knowledge hub, this is the fastest way to get your content integrated into AI. And finally, classic SEO is not dead. When people ask ChatGPT questions, the model will often reference websites with strong backlinks, good engagement, and clear branding. The more your brand pops up into credible places, the more likely ChatGPT to reference it. And yes, ChatGPT and other AI bots still get the data from the same places as Google does, so all the old SEO rules still work. Make sure you use clear titles, metadata, alt tags for the images, and write your articles in the natural human language. And the pro tip, use Open Graph schema markup. Add these schemas to your products or articles, and if you don't know how to do that or you're not a coder, then your website CMS probably has a plugin for that. And here they are, 5 strategies to get your content discovered in ChatGPT. And if you want a deeper dive into building custom ChatGPTs for your content, then let me know in the comments as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.